I'm super excited because Instagram has launched its official new application for TV where you can use Instagram or being Reels on TV officially. So I will tell you what are the crazy features and changes and how to install and set up Instagram TV officially. So let's get started. First of all, Instagram has added some new features or slight changes for Instagram TV. If you're using Instagram TV, you will get three features. Firstly for search, second for the profile, and third for the reels. Not only you can watch reels on bigger screen, also you can search or check out any Instagram profile if you want, like any creator profile. Also you can check out my Instagram ID, so it will easier to search any profile on Instagram TV. Reels are grouped in a channels that matches your interest, like including music, sports, highlights, hidden travel gems, trending movements, etc. According to your interest, you will get channels. Like if you are having interest in sports or categories like music or cars, so if you get different channels where you can get different reels which are really crazy. So big thumbs up for this Instagram. And also Instagram has mentioned that over the time they are expecting new features like using your smartphone as a remote, or like shared feed with your friends, and making more convenient and easier Instagram on TV. So now I will tell you that how you can download and set up Instagram TV on your smart TV. Firstly, 2 months ago Instagram TV has officially launched on Fire TV, and now on 24th of February Instagram has officially announced that Instagram TV is available for the Google TV devices. Like if you are having Google Chromecast or like TV devices, Chromecast, or having any Google TV devices, now you can access officially Instagram TV on your smart TV. So how you can set up, I just mentioned a link below in my description. Simply you have to open that link and easily sign up your Amazon account, download and set up your Instagram TV officially through Amazon. After that you can enjoy Instagram TV. That's all, you can enjoy your Instagram TV officially. Also don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Or if you find this video helpful, make sure subscribing to this channel. I will catch you in the next one.